Hey, we're back in the shop again. Here's a little trick, a little hint for people, anybody doing some machining work or even just trying to. This will work on a drill press too. Um, I got a piece here that's really longer than my vertical headroom. So if I try and hold this up on top of the table, I don't have any room for the drill and the drill bit. So when that happens, you can. These are called machining squares, and you can pick them up fairly cheaply. You get them on, if you get them on sale. In Canada, you can look in KBC Tools or Busy Bee Tools. In the States, the cheap places to get them are Enco, Pen Tools, another place that usually has sales, and you can pick them up fairly cheaply, like I don't know, $25 a piece or something like that. These are about 4 by 5 by 6. That's usually how they list them. They list them by one size, another size, and the depth. So they're precision ground. They're accurate within probably half a thou on each surface. So when you put them like this against each other, you've got two perfectly square surfaces, one going this way, one going this way. So when you clamp your stock in there, you know that it's as straight as your machine is. So you can drill a fairly deep hole into stock like this, and you know that hole's going in nice and straight. This is a tapping setup, and what I've got up here in the tool holder is a little spring-loaded tool. A lot of these larger size taps have an angled counter drilled hole in the top of them, and so this tool comes to a point, and it's spring-loaded, so it's free to move up and down. And so now, in the same setup that I was just doing the drilling, I've got the tap set in there, and when you do that, now you know that you're tapping a straight hole too. And there you have a nice straight hole tapped.